Hello everyone! In this virtual lab, we're going to calculate the Young modulus for different materials from their stress-strain graph. Which region of this graph must you use? Exactly, the initial linear straight line part. Now, we're going to find the Young modulus for glass. Let's select the glass, and we're going to stretch it. And we're going to find 2 points on the graph as well. What is the Young modulus for glass? Well, let's check. The answer is 65.85 gigapascal. You did great! And now, let's find the Young modulus for steel. Let's remove glass and select the short, thin steel specimen. And we're going to stretch it and find 2 points on the graph. So, what is the Young modulus for steel? Let's check. The Young modulus is stress divided by strain, which is the gradient, and the answer is about 197.10 gigapascal. You did great!